everyone, welcome to today's live. And really either just the starting of the weekend or the ending of the weekend, but point is I am here. So, I hope everyone is having a lovely weekend. I hope that you've just woken up. You know, sometimes you're just so tired throughout the weekdays. It's okay to wake up late on a Saturday, unless you have breakfast plans. Please do not, disappear from your breakfast plans and leave your friends hanging. Alright, so I hope everyone's doing well. Yes, if you are here, say hi, say hello. Boleh saja komen di bawah. I'll try my best to help you out. Okay. So for today, para bersiaran langsung dari Habib Ampang 2. Okay, so if you're in the area, feel free to come on over. Siti Aisyah, cuci mata. Yes, there's quite a number of gold items today, as you can see. Yes, Farah's wearing gold. Surprise! Hi Starlon, lama tak jumpa. You know, I feel like I haven't heard pasal bunga-bunga ni in a while. Devani, good morning. Rosa, nak tengok tennis bracelet ke? Nak tengok tennis bracelet? Boleh. Farah akan dapatkan untuk anda ya. InsyaAllah we'll get it very very soon in this live. Hi Wan Fida. Alright, so I'm pretty sure everyone's excited on gold prices hari ini. Nak tahulah juga berapa kan sebelum datang. So untuk hari ini, ni sebelum potongan lah. Untuk emas 999, RM690 segram. Untuk emas 916, dia 600. Sorry, kalau dengar kasut mic belakang tu, maknanya ada budak sangat enjoy hidup, okay? Once again, emas 916 ni RM640 segram. Tapi jangan risau, we had the extension of the potongan RM15 segram. Alright, so selepas potongan RM15 segram, emas 999 jadi RM675 segram. Untuk emas 916, RM625 segram. Alright, Siti Aisyah nak tengok clover bracelet. I'm looking down. I actually have like a clover right here, tapi dia clover macam tebal. Nanti Farah akan tunjukkan. Fatih nak tengok Cleopatra. I'll also get that for you. Hati ke berbunga-bunga. Thank you, Starlon. Farah, what design trending nowadays? I think a lot of full white gold pieces are trending. Full white gold pieces. Ke belakang sikit nak tengok rantai. Sorry, dia macam panjang sangat. So Farah, kalau Farah ke belakang sangat, Farah kena macam jerit-jerit sikit. But I'll show you the details in a bit juga ya. Suraya, good morning, good Saturday. Pendant alphabet, okay. Woo. Okay, so admin, I want white gold bracelets or bangles. I want Cleopatra. I want, okay, tennis bracelet dah sampai. And pendant alphabet, okay. Ina, dua-dua. Kita sumbat sekali, I mean serious. Gold ke diamond, okay. Ambil je dua-dua. Alright, Ina, untuk emas 916 hari ni RM625 segram. Harap semua dengar Farah lah. Sorry lah. Kat sini memang ada banyak budak-budak memang excited dengan hidup. Excited pasal emas tu belum lagi lah sampai umurnya. Tapi hidup ni memang exciting as a kid lah kan. So harap boleh dengar Farah juga. Alright, Sarah nak tengok bracelet macam Grapheta. Dia 3 gram je Farah. Kalau ada pergi terus nanti. Macam mana ni? Farah pun tak ingat dia macam mana. Okay, first clover bracelet yang Farah ada ni, this is what I mean by dia jenis tebal. Dia memang 3 layer, alright. Dia kombinasi 2 warna. Sorry lah, harap dengar. Kombinasi 2 warna, emas kuning dan juga emas putih. And dia menggunakan potongan berlian honeycomb. So dia memang macam cute je, dia punya sparkle-sparkle tu. It really appears everywhere. Alright, RM22,211, 18 cm, 32.52 gram. Alright, so this is a clover bracelet that I have. Alright. Happynya. Alright, where was I? Cleopatra, Farah belum dapat lagi. Tennis bracelet, that's what I wanted to show. I have a couple of different designs. They're macam slightly different from each other. Kita maybe start dengan a basic, memang straight to the point piece. Yang ni, yang dia ada illusion setting a bit, so dia nampak berlian tu jadi lagi besar. Alright, so for this one right here, 19 cm. Diikat dengan emas 750, yang ni 53 butir berlian, yang ni RM32,580. Tapi don't worry. Kita boleh discuss. Okay, kita boleh discuss harganya, okay? But let me see if there's something that's like really harga kau-kau lah. Let's call it harga kau-kau. Maybe kalau recommend yang ni, berlian pun memang berlian. Design dia pun unique a bit because you see dia macam a bit like on a circle. Alright. Untuk yang ini diikat dengan emas 375, 49 butir berlian, yang ni RM6,330. Alright. So that is how it looks like for some options lah. Alright. Where was I? You. Dia dengan kasut-kasut dia kan, Aisyah. Beats Planet, okay, I'll try Minimalist Clover. Okay, kalau tadi tunjuk Maximalist, I got a Minimalist. Ala-ala macam ni? Okay, is there like a minimalist version of this? Admin will try to find lah. Alright, someone asked me trending designs and I answered white gold pieces. Okay, so the white gold pieces I have here with me is number one, this is like a very classic design lah in my opinion. I feel like my mom also had the 3-color version in like such a long time ago. But this one is full white gold. Full white gold ni Oro Italia 916, 13.78 gram, 17.5 cm, RM9,071. That is one design for you to consider. This one here is a bit more chain-like lah. Dia bukan beaded. So, chain-like. Emas 916 Oro Italia white gold, 17.5 cm, 17.13 gram, RM10,925. Or maybe you are a bangle person, Cavo pun ada full white gold, RM10,350. Untuk yang ni 15.79 gram size S. Alright, or maybe not yang tebal-tebal, then go for a Bassano. This one right here also beaded, full white gold. Okay, full white gold Oro Italia 916 size S, 36.99 gram, yang ni RM24,336. Or maybe you are someone who loves the stretchy mini. Alright, this one right here also Oro Italia 916, full white gold, 25.3 gram, RM16,784, yang ni XL. Okay, but do not worry about sizing, boleh just screenshot dan hubungi bilik pameran yang berdekatan dengan anda. Alright. Yes, Cleopatra tengah cari Beats Planet Bangle 916 yang Farah tunjuk tadi. Memang they were 916. They were just white gold 916. Alright, I think some people wanted to see my necklace. Jauh sikit, jauh berbelah. Alright, so I'm actually wearing 2 necklaces. Okay, so here's the first one. Memang beads sahaja, full yellow gold. These beads are quite big. You can compare them to my fingernail. Alright, for this necklace right here, Allah tak nampak, wrong side, sorry. This one right here, RM37,031. Yang ni berat juga ya, 58.63 gram, 70 cm. Manakala yang satu lagi ni, dia kombinasi dua warna, dia ada tassel sikit kat bawah ni. Alright, dia pun smaller. Untuk yang ini RM36,671, 55.45 gram, yang ni 80 cm. Alright, so that is what I'm wearing for today. Aizah boleh tengok gelang tangan. Kita tengok gelang tangan Farah pakai dulu lah Alright, this one right here on my right hand, Farah pakai Cavo yang jenis satin finishing as well as potongan berlian, kombinasi dua warna, emas kuning dan juga emas putih. So for this one right here, RM18,148, yang ni 27.63 gram size M. Manakala belah kiri ni pula Farah pakai yang jenis lip lock sikit. Potongan berlian dia memang obvious and dia sort of criss-cross design, kombinasi dua warna juga. So boleh kan nampak beza kalau guna satin dengan potongan berlian versus full potongan berlian. Alright, this one right here RM12,166, 18.44 gram size M. Alright, so those are some bilang tangan you could consider lah kan. That means really stuffing my plate full right now. Cleopatra. Apa? Beats Planet. Okay, someone asked for Beats Planet. I almost forgot about that. Dah sampai dah. Okay, kombinasi dua warna, emas kuning dan juga emas putih. This is like OG colour lah kan. RM7,495, 12.42 gram, 16.1 cm. Maybe you want some other options. Jangan risau. We have these slightly longer tight beads seperti ini. Or even niche more beads macam ni. So memang Beats Planet now, the designs are quite diverse lah. Ni dia. Okay. Now next up for Cleopatra, because I promised, number 1, siapa yang tak suka ular-ular snake skin ni, please look away sebentar. I'll tell you when it's over. This one right here, which looks like snake skin, and this one is the dome type, so dia a bit curved. This is the Cleopatra, Oro Italia 916, 16.5 cm, 37.96 gram, RM24,693. Try on sis, yang ni juga ke? Ke yang tadi? I'll try this one juga. I'll hold it into place lah. Sorry, Farah nak pakai ni dia macam susah kalau solo-solo. This is one. Alright. Another one is, okay, ular dah habis guys. Okay, you can look back. This one looks a bit more like the bark of a tree. Okay, it looks like a bark of a tree honestly. Look at that. And dia tak curved. Okay, so this one dia memang flat. This one right here pun Oro Italia 916, 36.34 gram, RM23,687, 18 cm. This is how it looks like on. Alright, now heading back to Beats Planet tadi, just for me to ala-ala try on ya, ala-ala ya. Okay, I'll just put it over my wrist and hold it into place. Hopefully it is good enough for you. Okay, so this is how all 4 look like. If you are interested in any of them, boleh saja screenshot dan hubungi bilik pameran yang berdekatan dengan anda. Alright, so there we go. If not, do not worry, we'll save this live. You can also watch it again. Alright. Tak jumpa. I think admin still tengah hunting wherever she is. Okay, she's in the bracelet area. She might be hunting for it. Where was I? Yes, Fana. 1 dinar hari ni. Dina. 1 dinar RM2,584. Okay, that's one cover. Sorry, banyak komen hari ni. Farah pun terkejut. Usually Farah macam sorang-sorang macam talking to myself a bit. Alright, Siti Aisyah nak bangle Stella 3 layer. Bangle Stella 3 layer, I will definitely need to hunt. The only one that I have on hand is a bracelet that maybe you can consider. Ni 3 layer, maybe you can consider lah. Sebab dia nampak fluid. Usually bracelet ni nampak fluid sikit. So let me just recommend dulu lah while we get the bangle juga. Yang ni. Okay, so yes, beads memang ada. And of different sizes. Ada yang besar, ada yang kecil. So you get different effect lip lock dia lah. Alamak, alah kenapa tu? Oro Italia 916, 17.13 gram, 18 cm, RM11,374. Alright, so bila pakai tu, you get that effect lah. Macam you buy 3 separate ones. But you know, sebab dia boleh move by itself. Bila rest hand macam ni, dia macam dekat-dekat sikit. So you could consider that juga. Alright. Yes, Cecilia. I'm looking. Cecilia, I don't have it. Admin will grab it. And also, Starlo minta yang grapheta around 3 gram macam ling-ling ala. Something new, I think. Alright. Natasha, berapa gram? Alamak, yang mana? Let me stop. Did I read it eventually? I hope so. Aryu Husna, Basano collection. The one that I have with me is the white gold one. Farah tunjuk again lah. Ya, sebenarnya dia ada pelbagai sangat. Kalau Farah nak tunjuk Basano, I think we should have one live untuk Basano saja. Sebab there's so many different patterns. 1 color, 2 color, 3 color. Ada yang beads sampai belakang, ada beads yang tengah saja. A lot. Okay, different thickness, ada small, medium, large, so many. This one also I would consider this like a small medium punya full white gold. Oro Italia juga, jangan risau. Walaupun dia emas putih, dia emas 916 ya. 36.99 gram, RM24,336. Could consider. Alright. Zuela, cincin you pakai tu berapa? Sangat-sangat budget. It was so good. Just imagine, Farah pakai necklace 37,000, 36,000. And then my rings, so budget friendly. They're the same tau, just color difference. Yang ni yang yellow gold saja. Yang ni RM943, 1.39 gram, size 12. Belah kiri ni yang kombinasi dua warna, RM1,064, 1.53 gram, size 15. Alright, let's see. Kata yang Cleopatra Simple ada ke? Ada? It should exist. I'll try to get Cleopatra Simple. Okay, boleh. Azura, boleh Cleopatra Simple, please? Yes. Oh, okay. Unfortunately, Cleopatra kat sini memang out of stock. You know lah, it's the one yang nampak macam link tu. The one that looks like the ring yang dia nampak macam a bit besar kecil macam tu. I don't know how to describe it other than drawing it out, honestly. What have the people asked for? That graphetta, I hope. Okay, let me calculate it. Azura, boleh tengok balik bracelet 3 layer? Boleh. Yang ni kan, this one. Sorry lah, I keeps flipping around. Sometimes bila berlayer-layer macam ni, biasalah tu. Alright, ni yang 3 layer, 17.13 gram, 18 cm, RM11,374. Pretty kan? Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Alright, let's see. Ellie, bangle kat tangan kiri Farad. This one. It's very, very easy to style sebab memang the design is just lit up all in your face kat depan-depan pula tu. This one right here, it is RM12,166, 18.44 gram, size M. Okay? Khalida, bracelet design Rapunzel 2.0 ni saja. Okay, admin ran somewhere without me asking, so I think admin's grabbing it. I'll try, okay? There's a lot on my plate right now. Yes. Honestly, Farah tak tahu graphetta yang mana lah. I'm really trying yang 3 gram tu Starlord, because the one that admin brought me is, you know, the usual one ni. It's not this kan? Because this one also, yang ni around 3 gram. Ni apa ada? Might be sold out. Alright, let's see. Farhanism. Alright, untuk emas 916 selepas potongan RM15 segram, it is RM625 segram, ya? Alright, no problem Azura. Princess Atira, banyak orang suka Please go ahead, screenshot dan hubungi bilik pameran yang berdekatan dengan anda. Alright, Siti Aisyah, bangle yang twist yang dipakai tu ada tak yang straight? Maknanya nak emas putih je ke, emas kuning ke maybe one bangle dia emas putih on top, emas kuning macam tu. Cause the one that admin brought to me tadi, you know, you can think about it as ala-ala sama, just cara dia susun either would be melintang, or what's the opposite of melintang? Vertical or horizontal? Sorry, I only know the English one. So you can see here it is vertical lah. Alright, so this one right here sebenarnya dia kombinasi emas kuning dan juga emas putih. So pretty much the same. Alright, this one right here size S, 28.07 gram, RM18,496. So you might want to consider it lah, sebab yang design Farah pakai ni, yes, detail kat depan, kat tepi ni, it is the golden threads, okay? Let's see, Siti, bangle cover. Farah pun dah siap-siap pakai cover. Ni dia, yellow gold, white gold. Part yellow gold tu, it is brush satin finishing. For the white gold, it is potongan berlian. This one right here 27.63 gram, size M, and it is RM18,148. Alright, let's see. Serai putih, maknanya cover ke yang full white ke? Full white ada this one. Okay, full white. This one right here size S, 15.79 gram, RM10,350. Alright. Yes, there are different sizes juga. Ada yang lagi tebal and really thick ones. Yang emas putih juga. Yang ni je yang Farah ada for today. Okay. Ellie ada Basano bawah 20k. Basano bawah 20k. This one 24. I can tell you should have. There is one that is thinner than this. Alright. Tapi this is what I would consider like base already lah. Yang ni size S 36.99 gram, RM24,336. So maknanya you need to get something yang mungkin kalau nak 20,000 on the dot lah kan, kena 30 gram gitulah. Okay, 30 gram itu. Alright. Dia tak ada dangling Starlon. Macam tak ada. Yang Graffetta tu kan, rasanya tak ada kat sini kot. Maybe you try contacting the branch. It might be easier lah kan. At least you ada gambar yang original that you are considering to. Alright. Nurul Ain untuk emas 916, dia lepas potongan RM15 segram by the way, RM625 segram ya. Fana untuk emas 999 pula, also dengan potongan RM15 segram, dia RM675 segram. Starlon dah bagi code. Did you see the code? You can take a look at the code. We'll try. Okay. Suryani nak tengok cincin halus just untuk jari telunjuk. Maknanya this one. I don't have it on hand sebab dia macam always out of stock, but I can tell you what I recommend. Sebab jari telunjuk ni, you know lah, kena syaf-syaf sikit. Tak nak lah besar-besar sangat most of the time lah, I would say kan. So cuba dapatkan cincin Cleopatra. Yes, the cincin Cleopatra I think is very suitable untuk jari telunjuk, or even something yang macam ni pun. Okay, this isn't bad. Okay, sebab dia memang nampak kecil juga. I'll show it to you. Nampak tak? Tiba sempat pusing kan? Yeah, it's like good enough. Any thicker then it would be a bit too much lah. Tapi kalau setebal ini pun dah okay. Alright. Let's see. Siti Aisyah yang 3 layer tak ada. I think they're out of stock here. Memang yang Farah ada 5 layer je. So this is the best I can do right now, unfortunately. Ika untuk emas 916 selepas potongan RM15 segram, RM625. Ellie, no problem. She dah biasa pakai saiz 18.5 cm. Bangle saiz apa? 18.5 cm. That is M kan? Okay. I'm thinking though, M mungkin ketat sikit. Yeah. L might be better. Sebab contohnya Farah pun pakai M ya. Farah pun pakai M. And untuk bracelet Farah pakai 16.5 cm ataupun 17 cm. And you can see ni is how much space Farah has in the end lah. Yes. So this is another bangle. So I have this much space. So if you still want to be comfortable, ada space juga 18.5 cm ni, I would recommend L lah. Alright. Fana, ada tapi tak apa, Farah boleh repeat. 1 dinar RM2,584. Okay. Juliana trade in 375 RM197 segram. Okay. Ellie, I mean, are you going to find that? Yes. The bracelet, sorry. The cord, tak. Tak ada. Sorry. Yes, tadi Farah nak cakap about cincin jari telunjuk kan. This is the Cleopatra I'm talking about. It's so nice. Dia memang simple sangat. But look at that. And jangan risau, mungkin if emas putih is not your colour, dia ada emas kuning, dia ada emas rose juga. Mungkin kalau anda beli 3 warna, kalau nak stacking pun boleh. Because if you think about it, sebab dia nipis, kalau stacking pun dia sampai sini je. So yes, this is how it looks like. Another Cleopatra to consider. Yang ni dia ada jenis yang lagi nipis, tapi this is medium size lah. Okay, so also boleh consider. Alright. Okay. Long necklace. I should have some here with me. This one right here also double layered tapi dia tak ada tassel. It is memang just free double layered. And you can see ada beads yang besar, ada juga beads yang kecil. Okay, so a good combination of two colours juga, emas kuning dan juga emas putih. This piece right here, Oro Italia 916, 50.08 gram, 78 cm, RM33,234. This one can go quite well dengan bracelet 2-3 layer tadi. 3 layer. I also have the 5 layer version. Nampak tak? So this is 3 layers, this one is 5 layers, and this is the necklace. Alright, so matching sikit. Another long necklace I have, ini memang single layer and it makes do dengan dua jenis texture. Alright, so you have high polish as well as potongan berlian, and you can see the difference, memang lain sangat kan. So as a single necklace, kalau anda nak pendekkan, you can make it to a choker of double layer macam ni. Alright, but if you want it to stay long pun boleh saja. You can stack it up with other necklaces juga. This one right here, emas 916, 50.21 gram, 80 cm, RM33,407. Okay, Fana, no problem. Adlina untuk emas 916 selepas potongan RM15 segram, RM625 ya, RM625 segram. Another long necklace that I have, this one is a bit more of a classic design dengan bunga-bunga dia. Sekejap But yes, I think I was trying to remember for Lone Star. Sorry, I don't think that bracelet ada lah if it's taking this long to get. Alright, so this one right here, more of a classic design. You can see flowers. More flowers, even more flowers. Just flowers lah sebenarnya, okay? So this one right here, I think would go very well dengan baju kurung. Especially baju kurung classic. So nice. This one right here, emas 916, RM11,449, 87 cm, 17.43 gram. So this is what it looks like. Okay, Julaida untuk pendant. Okay, I'll take note. Big pendant. Okay, I mean nanti we tunjuk Facebook. Okay, big pendant, cover full gold. Okay, I don't have a full gold one. Full gold, 25 to 30 grams. Simple long necklace, 60 centimeters. Hold on, I don't have that. Like panjang. All of them are very long, 60 centimeters. Alright, so lots of requests. Unfortunately, Farah tak cukup masa. Okay, do not worry sebab Farah ada je another sesi live di Facebook pada jam 12.30. Okay, so let me grab your stuff. Cari lagi inspo and I can definitely show more to you. Okay, and untuk Ellie, trade in emas 916 hari ni RM481 segram, RM481 segram. Alright, so don't worry, jangan risau, I still have lots to show. There's a lot more. Farah ada beberapa tray kat tepi ni. Okay, so if you want to see more or mungkin ada request apa-apa nak tengok anything specific, insyaAllah kalau ada kat sini, Farah akan dapatkan untuk anda untuk tunjuk di Facebook Live pada jam 12.30. So once again, big pendant, cover 35 to 30 gram full yellow gold dengan simple long necklace 60 centimeters. Alright, I'll take note of that. I'll try my best. We'll see each other di Facebook pada jam 12.30. So thank you all for watching me over here. I hope to see you on Facebook. Happy shopping, happy weekend. Bye.